In this video, I'll show you how to secure access to OpenClaw using OpenVPN Access Server, so only authorized users can connect to your AI agent through a private, encrypted VPN tunnel. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a setup where OpenClaw stays private, no public ports are exposed, and access happens only through secure VPN connections. Let's jump in. Just a quick note before we start. Everything I'm showing here is also available in our documentation on the website. Just head over to Tutorials, then go to Networking and Topology, select Cloud and Multi-VPC Networking, and choose how to secure access to OpenClaw with Access Server. Now let's start by deploying OpenClaw. To do that, we'll create a new droplet using the DigitalOcean Marketplace. On the DigitalOcean Marketplace page, find OpenClaw. Then click Create OpenClaw Droplet. Next, select your droplet plan and data center region. Then choose your authentication method. For this demo, I'll use a password just to keep things simple, but in production, you may want to use SSH keys. Configure any optional settings you want, then click Create Droplet. DigitalOcean will now provision the server, which usually takes a couple of minutes. Once the droplet launches, connect to it using SSH with the root user. As soon as you connect, the OpenClaw configuration tool starts automatically. Here you'll choose the AI provider you want to use. Next, you'll be prompted for your AI model access key. If you don't have it yet, you can skip this step and configure it later. For this demo, I'll paste my API key here. Next, we need to retrieve the OpenClaw gateway token, which is required to access the dashboard. On the OpenClaw server console, run the command shown on the screen to retrieve the token. You can also find this command in the documentation page we looked at earlier. Once the command runs, copy the token value and store it somewhere secure. We'll use it shortly to access the gateway. The DigitalOcean OpenClaw image includes Caddy, which acts as the web server. We'll configure Caddy so that OpenClaw listens only on the droplet's private IP address. First, retrieve the private IP address of the droplet. Next, edit the Caddy configuration file so it listens only on that private IP. The command to do this is shown here on the screen. Once the configuration is updated, restart the Caddy service. And that's it. Now OpenClaw is configured to listen only on the internal network, not the public internet. If your OpenClaw droplet is running on DigitalOcean, it's best to deploy your access server in DigitalOcean as well. This way, both systems can communicate through the same private network. For this demo, I already have Access Server installed and running. Now let's configure Access Server. Sign into the Access Server Admin Web UI. Then click Access Controls. Open the Global Access Rules tab. Under IP addresses and subnets, select the routing mode NAT. This setting ensures that the source IP appears as the Access Server private IP. Next, enter the OpenClaw droplet's private IP address in the IP addresses and subnets field. Click Save and Restart to apply the changes. Now let's confirm that OpenClaw can only be accessed through the VPN. First, open your OpenVPN Connect app and connect to the Access Server. Once connected, open a web browser. Navigate to the OpenClaw gateway URL using the private IP address of the droplet, followed by the gateway token we copied earlier. You should now see the OpenClaw gateway dashboard. Finally, let's verify that the system is secure. Disconnect from the VPN. Then try to access OpenClaw using the public IP address of the droplet. The connection should fail. This confirms that OpenClaw is only accessible through the VPN, keeping your AI agent secure and private. And there we go. For more info, head over to openvpn.net and check out our knowledge base and tutorials under the Resources section.